வெல்கம் டு மை யூடியூப் சேனலோட பேர் கண்ணன் டியூஷன் அகாடமி. இந்த வீடியோவில் நாம் பார்க்க போகிறது பிஜிடிஆர்பி காமர்ஸுக்கான 6வது ரிவிஷன் டெஸ்ட். இந்த டெஸ்ட்டில் பார்ட் 26லேருந்து பார்ட் 30 வரைக்கும் உள்ள 5 வீடியோவிலேருந்து 150 கொஷினில் 100 மல்டிபிள் சாய்ஸ் கொஷின் கேட்டிருக்கோம். இந்த வீடியோவுக்குள்ளே போகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி உங்களுக்கு ஃப்ரீ டைம் மினிமம் 1 ஹவர் கிடைக்குமான்னு பார்த்துக்கோங்க. பென்னும் பேப்பரும் ரெடியாக வச்சுக்கோங்க. கொஷினுக்கு ஆன்சர் பண்ணும்போது கொஷின் நம்பரையும் ஆப்ஷன் நம்பரையும் மட்டும் எழுதினா போதும். இதோட ஆன்சர் கடைசி பார்ட்டில் வருது, அதை நீங்களே கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே, வீடியோவுக்குள்ளே போகலாம் வாங்க. ஃபஸ்ட்டு கொஸ்டின், DIET diet stands for dash. A. District Institute for Employment of Teacher. B. District Institute of Education and Training. C. District Institute of Elementary Teachers Education. D. District Institute of Educational Technology. Second one, school started by Madam Montessori was known as A. Children's House. B. Boys School. C. Summer Hill School. D. Girls School. Third one, MLL represents A. Marginal level of learning. B. Maximum level of learning. C. Motor learning level. D. Minimum level of learning. Fourth one, which type of thinking is very essential for creativity? A. Positive thinking. B. Convergent thinking. C. Practical thinking. D. Divergent thinking. Fifth one, an audit of a bank is an example of A. Statutory audit. B. Balance sheet audit. C. Concurrent audit. D. All of the above. Sixth one, with every increase in the size of the batch, A. Setting up cost per unit decreases. B. Setting up cost per unit increases. C. Setting up cost per unit requires control. D. Batch cost decreases. Seventh one, capital asset include A. Stock in trade. B. Personal effects. C. Gold deposit bond 1999. D. Property of any kind. Eighth one, when a company is wound up, out of the unsecured creditors, Some have to be paid under the law before others, who are called A. Preferential creditors, B. Secured creditors, C. Sundry creditors, D. Bank overdraft. Ninth one. The objectives of IBRD, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, include A. To promote foreign private investment, B. Adoption of macroeconomic management, C. Increased loans from developed countries, D. Accumulated huge external debts. 10. Special audit is conducted at the order of the central government. Which section gives such powers? A. Section 233A, B. Section 233B, C. Section 242A, D. Section 242B. 11th one. Investigation may be carried out on behalf of dash. A. Owners, B. Shareholders, C. Outsiders, D. Staff. 12th one. Interim audit is conducted between two dash. A. Periodical audits, B. Partial audits, C. Occasional audit, D. None of these. 13. Internal control is different from dash. A. Internal audit, B. Internal check, C. Interim audit, D. None of these. 14. There are greater chances of fraud under the head dash. A. Cash sales, B. Credit sales, C. Wages paid, D. Loan borrowed. 15. The liability of an auditor can be dash. A. Civil, B. Criminal, C. Civil and criminal, D. Official. 16. The agency which helps to improve the quality of school education at state level is A. NCERT, B. NCTE, C. SCERT, D. DTE. 17. In Indian history, who is known as the Indian Napoleon? A. Ashoka. B. Chandragupta II. C. Chanakya. D. Samudragupta. 18. Article 14 of the Constitution of India deals with dash. A. Equality before law. B. Abolition of untouchability. C. Freedom of speech. D. Freedom of religion. 19. The board of directors shall appoint first auditor of a company dash. A. Within 1 month of the completion of capital subscription starts of the state of the complete state of the company. திருப்பி ஒரு வாட்டி படிக்கிறேன். A. Within 1 month of the completion of capital subscription state of the company. B. Within 1 month of the promotion of the company. C. Within 1 month of the commencement of business of the company. D. Within 1 month of incorporation of the company. 20. In case the directors fail to appoint first auditors of the company, the shareholder shall appoint them at dash by passing a resolution. A. General meeting. B. First annual general meeting. C. Statutory meeting. D. Annual general meeting. 21. Deemed income include dash. A. Cash credits. B. Unexplained investment. C. Unexplained income, etc. D. All of these. 22nd. Gross works cost stands for. A. Works cost as adjusted by stock of work in progress. B. Works cost before adjusting cost of work in progress. C. Works cost before adjusting stock of finished goods. D. All of these. 23rd. Opportunity cost helps in dash. A. Ascertainment of cost. B. Controlling cost. C. Making managerial decisions. D. None of these. 24th. The retiring auditor does not have a right to dash. A. Make written submission. B. Get his representation circulated. C. Be heard at the meeting. D. Speak as a member of the company. 25. As per C&AG Act, Comptroller and Auditor General Act 1971, the tenure of Comptroller and Auditor General is A. 4 years, B. 5 years, C. 6 years, D. 7 years. 26. Management audit is conducted by dash. A. Government auditor. B. Auditor appointed by the board of directors. C. Special auditor. D. Statutory auditor. 27. Which one of the following is major variable in marketing mix? A. Policies. B. Promotion. C. Programs. D. Procedures. 28. The qualities of a true entrepreneur include dash. A. Capacity to assume risk. B. Technical knowledge and willingness to change. C. Ability of organization and administration. D. All of these. 29. A vacancy caused by resignation of an auditor is filled by dash. A. Board of directors. B. Managing director. C. General meeting. D. Central government. 30. Change in exchange rate is caused by dash. A. Changes in prices. B. Changes in internal rates. C. Changes in exports and imports. D. All the above. 31. Dynamo is a device for converting dash. A. Electricity to mechanical energy. B. Mechanical energy to electrical energy. C. Magnetism to electricity. D. Electricity to magnetism. 32. Which one of the following dynastics was not in power during the Sangam age? A. Pandyas. B. Cheran. C. Cholas. D. Pallavas. 33. The name of the educational policy of Gandhiji is A. Social education, B. Basic education, C. Technical education, D. Rural education. 34. Which of the following is not a capital asset? A. Goodwill, B. Jewelry, C. Stock in trade, D. Agricultural land. 35. The country which is called the Museum of Human Race. A. Malaysia, D. Switzerland, C. India, D. Japan. 36. If the actual profits are more than the expected normal profits, the difference is termed as dash. A. Excess profit, B. Super profits, C. Average profits, D. Operating profits. 37. Material losses may be normal or dash. A. Scrap, B. Abnormal, C. Spoilage, D. Defective. 38. Apportionment of overheads means dash. A. Charging of overheads to cost centers, B. Charging of overheads to cost units, C. Charging of overheads to cost centers or cost units, D. Charging of overheads to cost centers and cost units. 39. Asian Development Bank was set up in the year A. December 1966, B. January 16, 1967, C. February 18, 1968, D. March 20, 1969. 40. The Export and Import Bank was established in A. January 1, 1982, B. January 1, 1983, C. January 1, 1984, D. January 1, 1985. 41. The head of the Indian money market is dash. A. Central Bank of India, B. Reserve Bank of India, C. ICICI Bank, D. State Bank of India. 42. Project appraisal methods do not include dash. A. Payback method. B. Average rate of return. C. Net present value. D. Break-even analysis. 43. Owner's equity stands for dash. A. Fixed assets minus fixed liability. B. Fixed assets minus current liability. C. Current assets minus fixed liability. D. Total assets minus total liabilities. (44) Assets are depreciated on the basis of expected life rather than on the basis of market value according to the following. A. Matching concept. B. Consistency convention. C. Money measurement concept. D. Time period concept. 45. List E in statement of affairs gives the list of dash. A. Assets specifically pledged. B. Assets not specifically pledged. C. Unsecured creditors. D. Preference shareholders. 46. The global marketing concept refers to dash. A. Mass market. B. Universal market. C. Mass market and universal market. D. International communication system and transport system. 47. Which one of the following is not related to dimensions of product concept? A. Managerial dimension. B. Price dimension. C. Consumer dimension. D. Social dimension. 48. Dividing a market into distinct groups of buyers is known as dash. A. Market positioning. B. Market segmentation. C. Market division. D. Consumer needs division. 49. Depreciation of plant based on FLX of time is dash. A. Fixed overheads. B. Variable overheads. C. Semi-variable overheads. D. None of the above is correct. 50. Canteen and medical expenses may be redistributed to various departments on the basis of dash. A. Number of employees. B. Direct labor hour. C. Hours worked. D. Value of material purchased. 51. Learning in free atmosphere was advocated by dash. A. Montessori. B. Gagny. C. J. Krishnamurthy. D. Gandhiji. 52. Which of the following plays the major role in social development of a child? A. School. B. Family. C. Society. D. Neighbors. 53. Growth and development of the child are determined by two factors dash. A. Heredity and school. B. School and home. C. Home and society. D. Heredity and environment. 54. Dash of the Indian Constitution deals with the promotion of educational and economic interest of the scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and other weaker sections. A. Article 42. B. Article 22. C. Article 26. D. Article 46. 55. The Constitution 80th Amendment Act of dash year inserted dash article in the Constitution of India to provide free and compulsory education of all children in the age group of 6 to 14 years as a fundamental right. A. 2001 Article 40. B. 2010 Article 12A. C. 2009 Article 45A. D. 2002 Article 21A. 56. Each regional rural bank has the status of a dash. A. Commercial bank. B. Scheduled bank. C. Lead bank. D. Development bank. 57. Seed capital assistance scheme is operated through dash. A. Notified SIDCs and SFCs. B. Branches of the State Bank of India. C. Branches of any nationalized bank. D. ICICI Bank. 58. Margin of safety can be improved by dash. A. Increase in sales volume. B. Lowering variable cost. C. Lowering fixed cost. D. All of these. 59. All companies other than those covered under Section 8 are required to file return of income in dash. A. ITR 6. B. ITR 5. C. ITR 4. D. ITR 7. 60. The market provide facilities for raising both long-term and short-term funds is called dash. A. Money market. B. Capital market. C. Financial market. D. Primary market. 61. Which one of the following right is related to proxy? A. Right to speak. B. Right to vote. C. Right to exit. D. Right to participate in discussion. 62. Quorum for a meeting of a public company is dash if the number of members does not exceed 1000. A. 5. B. 15. C. 30. D. 50. 63. Quorum for a meeting of a public company is dash if the number of members more than 1000 and but less than 5000. A. 5. B. 15. C. 30. D. 50. 64. Gifts from clients are dash. A. Professional income. B. Income from other sources. C. Non-taxable income. D. None of these. 65. Authority to levy and collect taxes in India is given to the central and state government by dash. A. Article 246 of the Constitution of India. B. Article 265 of the Constitution of India. C. Article 269 of Constitution of India. D. Article 279 of Constitution of India. 66. Value education means dash. A. religious education, B. moral education, C. caste education, D. economics of education. 67. Development banks perform their function based on dash. A. Managerial economic objectives of the country. B. Socio-economic objectives of the country. C. Eco-cultural objectives of the country. D. Socio-environment objectives of the country. 68. Sales volume can be increased by dash. A. An efficient sales organization. B. Giving free samples. C. Advertisement. D. Discount coupon. 69. The filing of articles of association with the registrar of companies is compulsory for the dash. A. Private company. B. Unlimited company. C. Company limited by guarantee. D. All the above. '70. A company must commence business within dash of its incorporation. A. 90 days. B. 120 days. C. 180 days. D. 365 days. 71. Project classification includes A. Quantifiable and non-quantifiable projects. B. Sectoral projects. C. Techno-economic projects. D. All of these. 72. Assessment year means A. The period of 12 months commencing on 1st April every year. B. The period of 12 months immediately succeeding the previous year commencing on the 1st of April every year. C. The period of 12 months immediately succeeding the accounting year commencing on the 1st of April every year. D. All of these. 73. If the operating expenses exceed the gross profit, excess is referred as dash. A. Operating income. B. Operating loss. C. Non-operating expense. D. Non-operating income. 74. Direct material is dash. A. Fixed cost. B. Variable cost. C. Semi-variable cost. D. Standard cost. 75. The statutory auditor of a government company submits his report to dash. A. The board of directors. B. The company secretary. C. The CAG. D. The legislature. 76. Section dash of Companies Act 2013 provides the quorum of the meeting of directors of a public company. A. Section 171. B. Section 173. C. Section 174. D. Section 176. 77. What is the quorum of the board meeting in case of a public company? A. 1/3 of the total number of directors or 2 directors, whichever is the higher number. B. 1/3 of the total number of directors. C. 2/3 of the total number of directors. D. Minimum of 2 directors. 78. What is the quorum of the board meeting in case of a private company? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. 79. Memorandum of Association explains dash. A. Defines the relationship between company and outsiders. B. Defines the relationship between company and its members. C. Specifies the scope of authority and the objectives. D. Defines the relationship between company and outsiders and specifies the scope of authority and objectives. 80. Cost audit under section 233B of Companies Act is dash. A. Voluntary. B. Compulsory. C. Advisable. D. Avoidable. 81. Consumerism is a collective endeavor of the consumers to protect their interest against dash. A. Resale price maintenance. B. Tie-in practices. C. Agreement restricting the output. D. Exploitation. 82. A good advertisement copy should possess a dash. A. Attention value. B. Memorizing value. C. Educational value. D. All of these. 83. For carrying on business of banking exclusively outside India, banks should get prior permission of the dash. A. Finance Minister. B. Reserve Bank of India. C. Concerned holding company. D. President of India. '84. Turnover ratio is useful to the management for dash. A. Enforcing internal discipline. B. Managing its debts. C. Evaluating performance. D. Managing resources. '85. In Industrial Policy Liberalization 1991, how much FDI equity shares are allowed in India? A. 24%. B. 51%. C. 49%. D. 90%. '86. Wage sheet is prepared by dash. A. Timekeeping department. B. Personnel department. C. Payroll department. D. Cost accounting department. '87. Fair value is the simple average of yield value and dash value of a share. A. Excess. B. Super. C. Intrinsic. D. Net. '88. Usual method followed to charge depreciation for income tax purpose is dash. A. Straight line method. B. Written down value method. C. Annuity method. D. Any of these. '89. The carry forward system mainly used by the speculative brokers and large traders is known as dash. A. Badla system. B. Forward trade. C. Book building. D. Insider trading. '90. Under asset backing method, the value of equity share is calculated under the presumption that the company would be dash. A. Liquidated. B. Continued. C. Liquidated or continued. D. None of the above. 91. Internal audit is a dash. A. Line function. B. Staff function. C. Both line and staff function. D. Neither a line nor a staff function. 92. Confirmation of the court is necessary for dash. A. Increasing the share capital. B. Reduction of share capital. C. Conversion of shares into stock. D. Issue of new shares. 93. Audit means dash. A. Recording business transaction. B. Preparing the final accounts. C. Examination of books, accounts, vouchers, etc. D. Assisting in preparing P&L account and balance sheet. 94. Secret reserve can be created by dash. A. Public limited companies only. B. Banking and financial companies only. C. Private limited companies only. D. Cooperative societies. 95. Under purchase method of accounting, the excess of purchase consideration paid to transferor company is debited to goodwill account, and normally this goodwill account should be written off within a period of dash. A. 2 years. B. 8 years. C. 20 years. D. 5 years. 96. Periodical audit is also called as dash. A. Final audit. B. Interim audit. C. Balance sheet audit. D. Income statement audit. 97. The auditor of a government company shall be appointed by dash. A. The government company itself. B. The central government. C. The shareholders. D. The debenture holders. 98. The main objective of audit of cash book may be dash. A. To verify the assets and liabilities. B. To know that all receipts and payments have been properly recorded. C. To check the internal control system in the business. D. To check the bank balance. 99. For calculating the value of equity shares by intrinsic value method, it is essential to know the dash. A. Net assets. B. Expected rate of return. C. Normal rate of return. D. Super profits. 100. The policy of anticipate no profit and provide for all possible losses arises due to dash. A. Conservatism convention. B. Consistency convention. C. Materiality convention. D. Disclosure convention. இப்போது எல்லா கொஸ்டினுக்கும் ஆன்சர் எழுதிட்டீங்க. இப்போது ஆன்சர் ஷீட்டை நீங்களே கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஒன் பை ஒன் நான் சொல்லிக்கிட்டே வரேன். ஓகே, ரெடியா? 1B, 2A, 3D, 4D, 5D, 6A, 7D, 8A, 9A, 10C, 11C, 12A, 13B, 14A, 15C, 16C, 17D, 18A, 19D, 20A, 21D, 22B, 23C, 24D, 25C, 26B, 27B, 28D, 29D, 30D, 31B, 32D, 33B, 34C, 35C, 36B, 37B, 38C, 39A, 40A, 41B, 42D, 43D, 44B, 45C, 46A, 47D, 48B, 49A, 50A, 51C, 52D, 53D, 54D, 55D, 56A, 57A, 58D, 59A, 60C, 61B, 62A, 63B, 64A, 65B, 66B, 67B, 68C, 69D, 70C, 71D, 72B, 73B, 74B, 75C, 76C, 77A, 78B, 79D, 80C, 81D, 82D, 83B, 84C, 85B, 86C, 87C, 88B, 89A, 90C, 91B, 92B, 93C, 94B, 95D, 96C, 97B, 98B, 99A, 100A. இப்போது எவ்வளோ கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் வந்திருக்குன்னு பாருங்கள். மறக்காமல் கமெண்ட் பேஜில் எழுதுங்க. ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் திஸ் வீடியோ. ஆல் த பெஸ்ட். இந்த எம்சிக்கு உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பேஜில் எழுதுங்க. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், பெல் ஐக்கானையும் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்போ தான் நான் போடுற அடுத்த வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் இம்மீடியட்டாக உங்களுக்கு வரும். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பட்டனை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். சப்போஸ் உங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கும் ரிலேட்டிவ்ஸுக்கும் தேவைப்படும்னு நினச்சிங்கன்னா இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். ஒன்ஸ் அகைன் தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச். ஆல் த பெஸ்ட்.